Dreaming of sunny beaches, exciting cities, and amazing landscapes? Spain has it all. From the sunny Mediterranean coast to the tall Pyrenees Mountains, this passionate country is full of culture, history, and natural beauty. In this guide, we'll explore Spain's best places, from the energetic beaches of Benidorm to the cultural heart of Barcelona, from the beautiful island of Mallorca to the volcanic Canary Islands, so you can plan the perfect Spanish adventure. First, we're off to the sunny shores of Benidorm, a busy resort town on Spain's Costa Blanca. Known for its vibrant atmosphere and stunning beaches, Benidorm attracts visitors from all over the world. Benidorm is a city that never sleeps, with something for everyone. From lively bars and nightclubs to family-friendly entertainment, the options are endless. You can see why they call this the Manhattan of the Mediterranean. The skyline is dotted with high-rise buildings that offer breathtaking views of the sea. Benidorm has an amazing skyline, which is a testament to its modernity and development over the years. But don't let the modern buildings fool you. The heart of Benidorm lies in its warm and welcoming people. This town is friendly and welcoming. The local markets and street cafes are perfect places to experience the hospitality of the locals. If you love the beach, Benidorm is a paradise for sun-seekers. Benidorm has over 4 miles of golden sand, perfect for lounging and soaking up the sun. The weather is sunny almost all year round, making it an ideal destination for beach lovers. Levante Beach is the place to be if you like a lively beach with its busy walkway, lots of water sports, and exciting nightlife. It's a hub of activity where you can always find something happening. If you're looking for a quieter time, Poniente Beach is perfect for you. It's less crowded and offers a more relaxed atmosphere. Poniente Beach is perfect for you. The serene environment is ideal for those who want to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty. This beach is great for families with its calm water and gentle slope into the sea, ideal for kids. Children can safely play and build sandcastles while parents relax. With its calm water and gentle slope into the sea, Poniente Beach is ideal for kids. The gentle waves make it a safe place for swimming and playing. Benidorm isn't just about beaches. The city offers a variety of activities and attractions that cater to all interests. For a day of excitement, visit Terra Mítica, a theme park that takes you through the ancient history of the Mediterranean. It's a journey through time with thrilling rides and shows. A theme park that takes you through the ancient history of the Mediterranean. From the civilizations of Egypt to the myths of Greece, there's so much to explore, from the thrilling rides of Egypt, where you can experience the grandeur of the pharaohs, to the myths of ancient Greece, where legends come to life. Terra Mítica is fun for everyone. As the day ends, there's no better place to enjoy the sunset than the Balcón del Mediterráneo. There's no better place to enjoy the sunset than the Balcón del Mediterráneo. This iconic spot offers a panoramic view of the sea and the city. This beautiful walkway sticks out into the sea, providing a perfect vantage point to take in the stunning scenery, offering amazing views of the coast. It's a must-visit spot for anyone coming to Benidorm. Whether you're here for the beaches, the nightlife, or family fun, Benidorm has something for everyone. The city is a blend of excitement and relaxation. Benidorm is a sunny getaway that won't be too expensive. With a range of budget-friendly activities and accommodations, it's a destination that offers great value for money. Next, we go to the amazing city of Barcelona, a place where art, architecture, and Catalan culture come together. This city is a living museum, where every corner tells a story, and every building is a piece of art. Barcelona is a city that excites your senses, from its winding streets to its fantastic food and its amazing buildings. The aroma of freshly baked bread and the sound of street musicians fill the air, creating an atmosphere that is both vibrant and welcoming. You can't go to Barcelona without seeing the Sagrada Família. This incredible church designed by Antoni Gaudí is a masterpiece. It's a symbol of the city and a testament to Gaudí's genius. Its tall towers, detailed decorations, and beautiful interior will amaze you. The play of light through the stained glass windows creates a magical atmosphere inside. Book your tickets ahead of time because the lines can be long, but it's worth the wait. The experience of seeing this architectural marvel up close is unforgettable. And speaking of Gaudí, you must visit Park Güell. This playful park is full of colorful mosaics, curvy benches, and fantastic structures that look like they're from a fairy tale. It's a place where you can let your imagination run wild. For a taste of Barcelona's energy, walk down La Rambla, the city's most famous street. This tree-lined street is full of street performers, flower shops, and lively cafes. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Just off La Rambla, explore the winding streets of the Gothic Quarter, where old history meets modern Barcelona. The narrow alleyways and ancient buildings tell tales of a bygone era. When you're ready to relax by the sea, head to Barceloneta Beach. This sandy beach is the perfect place to enjoy the sun, swim, or have a relaxing lunch with a view. The sound of the waves and the salty sea breeze make it a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. For the best views in town, go up to Montjuïc, a hilltop park with amazing views of Barcelona. From here you can see the entire city spread out before you, a breathtaking panorama that captures the essence of Barcelona. Barcelona is a city that you need to explore, so put on your walking shoes and get ready to fall in love with this amazing city. Every step you take reveals something new and exciting, making it a place you'll never forget. Chapter 3. Our Spanish adventure takes us to the beautiful island of Mallorca. Mallorca is a place where rugged mountains meet clear water, where old history meets modern luxury. We start in Palma de Mallorca, the island's capital city. The magnificent Palma Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, dominates the skyline. Explore its soaring interior, wander through the charming old town, and enjoy the city's unique blend of history and modern life. For a taste of Mallorca's rural charm, take the historic wooden tram through the orange groves of Soler. This journey is beautiful, with the smell of citrus blossoms filling the air. For nature lovers, a drive through the Serra de Tramuntana mountains is a must. This mountain range offers amazing views of peaks, hidden coves, and the sea. Mallorca has some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. For picture-perfect turquoise waters and soft white sand, head to Calador or Estrenc. Visit the charming village of Valdemosa for a taste of authentic Mallorcan life. This picturesque village is known for its cobblestone streets, traditional houses, and the historic Royal Charter House. Mallorca has it all: stunning beaches, dramatic mountains, charming villages, and a vibrant culture. Chapter 4. Our Spanish trip now takes us to the Canary Islands, volcanic islands off the coast of Africa. These islands are a unique blend of dramatic landscapes, rich culture, and endless sunshine. Here it's always spring. We'll focus on Tenerife and Lanzarote, two of the most captivating islands in the archipelago. Each island has its own distinct charm and a plethora of activities to offer. Our Tenerife adventure begins in Teide National Park, home to Mount Teide, Spain's highest peak, a dormant volcano. This park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever see. Exploring this landscape feels like stepping onto another planet. The rugged terrain with its unique rock formations and vibrant colors is reminiscent of Mars. For an amazing sight, head to Los Gigantes Cliffs. These towering cliffs are one of Tenerife's most iconic natural landmarks. These tall cliffs rise dramatically from the sea, creating a stunning contrast with the deep blue waters below. Take a boat trip for the best views. From the water you can truly appreciate the sheer scale and beauty of these cliffs. If you're seeking thrills, visit Siam Park, one of the best water parks in the world. With its exciting water slides and attractions, it's a perfect spot for family fun. For a taste of Canarian culture, visit Santa Cruz de Tenerife, the island's capital city. This vibrant city is a hub of activity and offers a mix of modern and traditional experiences. Explore its historic plazas and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The city's streets are filled with charming cafes, shops, and cultural landmarks. Next we go to Lanzarote, an island where volcanoes meet art. This island is known for its unique volcanic landscapes and the artistic influence of César Manrique. We start in Timanfaya National Park, a surreal world of volcanic craters and lava fields. The park's otherworldly scenery is a testament to the island's volcanic origins. Take a camel ride, witness geysers, and feel the volcano's heat. The park offers a range of activities that allow you to experience its unique environment up close. Experience the artistic vision of César Manrique, an artist who blended art and nature. His works are scattered across the island, creating a harmonious balance between the natural and the man-made. Visit Gemeos del Agua, volcanic caves transformed into a concert hall, restaurant, and swimming pool. This unique attraction showcases Manrique's ability to turn natural spaces into functional art. For a bit of paradise, head to Papagayo Beaches. These beaches are some of the most beautiful in the Canary Islands. These beaches have clear turquoise waters and golden sand, making them perfect for relaxation and water activities. The Canary Islands offer natural wonders, cultural experiences, and year-round sunshine. Whether you're an adventurer, a culture enthusiast, or just looking to relax, these islands have something for everyone. Chapter 5. Now that we've explored Spain, let's talk about travel tips. The best time to visit depends on what you like. Spring and autumn offer pleasant weather. Summers can be hot, perfect for the beach. Winters are generally mild, but some areas can be rainy. Getting around Spain is easy. High-speed trains connect cities, ferries go to the islands, renting a car gives you freedom. Try paella, Spain's national dish. And don't miss tapas, small plates of food to share. Try patatas bravas, tortilla española, and churros con chocolate. Enjoy a glass of sangria. Spain has all kinds of places to stay, from hostels to luxury hotels. Consider staying in guest houses for a more authentic experience. Practice your Spanish, even a few words. Locals appreciate the effort, so there you have it, our tour of Spain. From the beaches of Benidorm to Barcelona, Mallorca and the Canary Islands, Spain has something for everyone. Start planning your trip today. Well folks, that's it. From the beaches to the cities and villages, Spain has it all. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Spain will enchant you. Travel is about connecting with a place. Embrace the Spanish spirit, enjoy the food and make memories. Pack your bags, grab your phrasebook, and get ready for an unforgettable Spanish adventure. Buen viaje! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel guides and adventures. Hasta luego!